permutations and combinations. This not only comes in general math, but also comes in number sense and calculators, so this is really important. Well, let's go right in. Imagine there's a competition for 20 people, okay? And out of that, they award first place, second place, and third place winners. First, second, third. Now, out of all of these, what is the number of people that, what are all the possible different combinations that could get first, second, or third? Well, since there's 3 spots, we could draw out 3 and keep them all multiplying. And so for the first, there can be 20 people that can go for first. And for the second, there can only be 19 because one person has to go to first place. And for the third person, could only be 18 because one person has to go to first and one person has to get second. So there could only be 18. You multiply all of these, and that's what you get. You get your answer. Next, for combinations, it's a bit different. Let's say there is a car and there's 3 seats in the car. Okay, and you're going for sure. And you have 5 friends, and you have to decide which 2 to take along. How many groups of those 2 friends can you take along, given that this is the correct information? So you're going for sure, so that leaves up 2 seats. So out of these 2 seats, how many groups of people can you choose? That's the question. To do this, it's going to resolve to get to the factorial n factorial over k factorial n minus k factorial. And that's basically the formula. N is the total number of people. So we have the total number is 5 friends, 5 factorial, and k is the number of people that you could actually take along. So that's 2. 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 5 minus 2 factorial. And 5 minus 2 is 3, so 3 factorial. A factorial is basically that number multiplied by the number below it and going on until 1. So 5 factorial would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And so on, right? So 5 factorial is, 20 times 3, 60 times 2, 120. So 120 divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2, 6 times 2, 12. So 120 divided by 12, you get 10. There are 10 groups of people that you can take along in your car. That's combinations and permutations just for you. Good luck, and make sure to have fun.